So we've been back at the houseboat for a while, as you probably saw the video of all the work that Dave's been doing. And there's another reason why we came back to the houseboat this time of year, and that is because I'm going to have total knee replacement surgery. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&N motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. I'm going to have total knee replacement surgery. So I appreciate your prayers on that. It's going to be May 18th. And then hopefully shortly after that we'll be able to start packing up and we'll be able to get back on the road in the RV. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you something. So I've been in pain with my knees for since like 2014 or so. And supposedly with these x-rays they indicate I have bone on bone with spurs and some other things. So it's time to get total knee replacement. First of all, I got bone on bone, both knees. Couple little burrs on this one. I think there's burrs on this one along with the torn meniscus, that there isn't any meniscus left at this point since it's bone on bone. But luckily I haven't had any issues with this one, and you know, I can bend this one back pretty good. This one, that's it. I have to go steps one at a time, and it's painful. I had cortisone shots, and I had those 𝗠𝗘𝗗𝗏𝗧𝗦 shots, those gel shots in my right knee 3 different times. I had the gel shots. First time worked great for many months. It was like a miracle. And then it kind of dissipated. Got another one, and it probably made it about 50% better. After that I started getting some cortisone shots in it, which helped the inflammation and the pain. And then the last 𝗠𝗘𝗏𝗧𝗦 one I got, it's now wore off. No cortisone or anything because I'm going to be having surgery. It's kind of painful, and not a whole lot I can do about it other than ice it right now and wait for the day. And it's going to be May 18th, so not too far from now I am going to be getting a total knee replacement from Dr. DeCook in Cumming, Georgia. And my understanding is he has mentored many other doctors, and there are doctors from around the world that come to find out how he does so well with his patients.
What you got, Karen?
I got me some geriatric toys.
Geriatric toys?
Yeah, for my knee surgery. I'm going to hang on to them because I'll probably need them again some other time.
Or I'll need them.
Yeah. Got ourselves cane. Yeah. Cushioned.
Wow.
It's cushioned. And the other resistance. Ha 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 ha.
Oh, check it out. It's a party hat.
It's a, it's a collar.
Oh. For the airplane?
Yeah, yeah.
Put it on your head. It looks like a hat.
Help it get off the toilet easier for a while after the surgery. And I'll show you what else I got. And this, you have to have for about the first, at least probably a couple days before you switch over to a cane. And this I got at Goodwill for $7. And if you follow me, I'll show you what else I got for $7. This was brand new to help get up out of the
toilet. What are you doing in the toilet?
Well, taking a bath.
Yeah, a little spritz bath.
Yeah, but that was $7. So hey, Goodwill's a place to go for stuff like that. Right now I've got exercises I have to do, including this sort of a thing, so I can be able to get up and and bending my leg and making sure I can keep them straight, and different kinds of lifts and stuff I have to do, exercises every day. Actually, the physical therapy I'll be going through after the surgery is right here at home. There is no outpatient therapy. Everything is done through a website that they have. You communicate with their physical therapist or whoever you need to on their website. They go through everything you need to know. We even had to go to a class which was like an hour and 15 minutes, Dave. You went with it?
Yeah.
Went there with me.
About that.
Really good class. Very informative. And just hopefully I'll have a quick recovery, because in 1 month after the surgery we're taking off to go out west and go to Glacier National Park and Yellowstone and the Badlands and
Yeah.
all kinds of places. So
Got to get better or I'll be tying you on the hood of Leroy.
so your prayers are greatly appreciated. So that's where I am, and we'll give you an update again soon. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.